Okay, guys, yeah, it's me, your boy again, with another banger. Don't forget to like, comment, share, man. No, this resource is so valuable to other people, so don't be stingy with things. So, yeah, firstly, I will move to the daily chart and identify my highest point or my highest high of the day. And as always, lowest low over here, and then second lowest low over here, second lowest low over here. Then now I want to draw my trend lines. If I can see a trend line on the daily chart, then I try construct a daily trend. See, so on a daily trend, I'm looking for a buy for Nzdcad. So clone, then move it to the top over there. I should cater for the last bit there. Then from there, I might as well identify this market key level over here. See, guys, and then over here, because the market was consolidating, had no direction, it was just going up, down, up, down. So now for Nzdcad, I'm seeing a buy all the way from this support to this resistance over there. See, guys. So yeah, guys, this is the current setup on Nzdcad. So yeah, let's go back to the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, we have our market over here. Then I can construct maybe a downtrend over here. Just make sure it caters all of my levels over here. So here I was in a bearish trend. There's the trend that I'm talking about. There's the trend that I'm talking about over here. There's the trend I'm talking about. And now we're looking for buys. You see, the market bought from, no, didn't sell. Okay, it bought from here all the way to this target. So there is the current target of this trade over here, but the overall target would be there. That is if I see a breakout or retest in this structure. But now, as I'm on a bearish type of a graph, I can see this other trend, this other small bullish trend here. See this other small bullish trend here, then put this bullish trend here, meaning that the market would be ranging in this type of manner. If I enter here, if I see a breakthrough, then this type of trade will be just a scalp trade over here. You can see, then I can identify this market structure level in order for me to be safe, to have a safe trade, you see. So then from there I'll enter maybe around here. Then my stop loss will be very tight. Then I execute my trade, you see, then till that level. But if I see a breakout retest all the way to this high, then if I see a break also here until to this target, then I'll be looking for sellers. But now I'm in a bullish trend. I'm looking for buys. But now in this type of trade, I won't enter this trade because it's like it's done. You see, it's done. So now if someone wants to still enter Nzdcad, he will enter on this type of trade, scalped buy, but overally from the top. The market will range like this. The market will range in this type of manner. From there, see, there's a sell. Then from there, the resistance down to here or down to this level over there. So yeah, this is Nzdcad for you guys. Then let's go to AUD USD, same thing. You see, I killed the market just like that because I saw a resistance over there, and then yeah, I cannot elaborate more on AUD USD because I posted this analysis time ago. Hours ago. So yeah, guys, on a bearish trend, and what I was looking for, it was only sellers, and this is how I executed the trades. So it reached my TP, and now I'm looking for buys, you see, to the upside. So yeah, that's AUD USD for you. And then Cadjpy. I never looked at it, but let's move on a daily time frame. Then you know how we execute highest high, then lowest low over here, see, just like this. Then I can see a bearish trend over there. Then construct my bearish trend nicely so that it caters for all the touches properly. See, identifying these type of trends makes your vision on executing trades easier. See, this is a break, so now I'm waiting for a retest. So maybe it will retest around this level over here. It's very sensitive area over here, you see. It's a very sensitive area because the market is ranging in this type of manner. It did a break, so I'm looking forward for a retest. Then after a retest, I sell until to this low here, until to this triple bottom. Let me identify this triple bottom for you guys so that you can see properly which triple bottom I'm talking about. This is the triple bottom that I'm talking about of Cadjpy. Then if I don't see a breakout retest, but I see a clear retest, I'm seeing a clear break, I'll just enter my Cadjpy until to this level over here, you see, with the tight stop loss under that support there. See guys, but now if I'm anticipating for a breakout retest so that I can maximize on this type of trade, and if I see a breakout retest over there, I would be much happy. And now, as I told you, if we move down to the 4-hour chart, I can see it is retracing all the way to the upside. So now I'm looking for that breakout. You see, I'm looking for that break and then retest. Then after a retest, shooting down, you see, all the way to the to this level right here. So this is Cadjpy for you. And yeah guys, then let's look at Nzdjpy. See, Nzdjpy ish, I'm always killing the market just like this. Nzdjpy is a high probability trade because I was on a resistance over here. Let me explain how I executed this trade. I saw a bearish trend, then I only entered resistance, and resistance, you know that we always sell the resistance, so that's why I kept this trade going. And my key market structure levels, this is how I executed this trade. You can see. Then another thing that I used to tell you guys is that if you see a breakout retest, make sure you cater for it. See, breakout retests are good, especially if you want to be a professional trader. You see guys, these are breakout retests that I'm talking about. Breakout retest all the way, boom, to the downside. This is Nzdjpy. I killed this trade over here, so now it's heading for this triple bottom over here. 1, 2, 3 triple bottom, you see. Then after that, we'll be looking for buys until to this level. So yeah guys, that's Nzdjpy for you. Then let's look at Usdjpy. USDJPY. Sorry for this mix up. My chart is always messy, I know. As long as you know what you're doing, let me delete and then we break down this analysis again so that you can see how I was able to capitalize on this trade over here, guys. You know, I'm sharing free content so that I can help and empower people, because like people complain, this what, okay. Daily chart is always highest high. You know how we do it, you see. Then it didn't cater too much. Highest high, you see. Then lowest low. Here's our lowest low over here. Lowest low. So here we're looking at the market, it's ranging until to this level here. So we'd want the market to be ranging, you see, in this level. But if I see a breakout retest or a clear break, I'm selling towards down to this level. So on the current market price, this is the type of trend that I can construct over here. See, this was a bullish trend, meaning I was looking for buyers. Every time the market bounced in this level, it bought, you see, it bought, starting from here till that level over there, and then again it bought, and then until to this level, you see. Then from this level it sold, it broke our bullish support, meaning that I'm expecting a retest on the 4-hour. As I told you, this is the retest that I'm showing to you guys. So after a retest to this level, I'm selling to the downside. So meaning I should cater to this market structure level, because this area it's a very sensitive area in the market, because a lot of charges were being held over here. So you can see touch, you see. Then from there we execute. Then from here I'm seeing a retest, you see, breakout retest to this level, then so sell to this downside. So my current target from here, it will be just a small until to that level, see, with the tight stop loss though. But I don't like entering these type of trades. I would wait for the market clear break that low over there. Then from there I scale in more, like I keep it until to that level over there. Then my stop loss would be above what? Above this formation over here. So guys, this is how USDJPY was just analyzed in just a few minutes. So guys, I hope you're glad, and this is not easy sharing free content like this, but I like giving back to people because I know where I came from, you see guys. So let's look at our last pair, which is USDchf. You see, USDchf is always start from the higher time frame, identify the high of the day, move to a daily chart or 4-hour. You see, this is the highest high, then this is our first high, our all-time high. Then this is the high of the day. You see, this is the high of the day, this is the all-time high of the day. Then the low of the day, was here. See, then our ultimate low is that level over there. Then if we have a break in this, our target will be here. Break in this, target will be here. Then we'll be looking for buyers. But now look at this. By identifying these these type of levels over here, I'm able to construct trends. You see, trends over here. So by me constructing trends over here, it means that I'm able to see where the market is going. Is it going bullish or is it going bearish? But every time it's going bullish, I know that there is always a correction. So I have to mark for these key levels over here using a rectangular shape, you see guys. So there's Cadjpy, there's Usdjpy, UF. See how UF is formed over here. Then I clone this, then put this all the way to this top right here. See guys, then move it to 4 hour to have a broader. You see how I able to point those breakout retests, guys, that I'm telling you about. There's the clear breakout retest that I was telling you about. Look at how every time the market was here, it bought, then until to this high it broke. Clear break, meaning that you should sell over here, and you should have maybe a rectangular shape to show that this area is very key. Then now it did a break inside this sensitive area, because this area had most touches. Look at this, it has this touch, that touch, all the way. So now Usdchf has a break. Then now it's retesting over here, confirming that we're going to this downside. So my first target over here would be this low. You see, this low over here, this low over there. Then I would sell Usdchf from there to there, my first target. Then if it's a breakout retest again, sell it to this level. Remember how I catered these levels, because these levels are the levels that would help me in constructing my direction of the market. If I see a breakout retest on this bullish trend, I'm heading for this, from this target to this target, from this target to the all-time low target over there, until to the downside. But now, as for now, I'm looking at the market to sell until this level over here. So Usdchf, it's a good trade for me. Then I should mark these the rectangular box over here to show that this market, it's 1 2 3 4 5 6 charges. So meaning that this area is very sensitive, meaning that the market has a lot of chances coming to this downside over here from this. And now we can be able to execute our trade, because there's a breakout, a retest, and then all the way to this downside. So guys, I hope you were able to see how I executed the market and what I did in just few minutes. Like, you see how simple it is for now for me, because I know what I'm doing. You also do this if you take notes. You see, take note of what I say and just listen to what I say. So yeah guys, from me, your boy Noel Forex, and keep on hustling and just making change in the society and bringing and be motivated in this video. So guys, I hope I find you well, and yeah, this is the current market breakdown analysis from your boy Noel Forex. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Yeah, it's your boy Noel Forex signing out.